These are the Vigil fire hose nozzles and branch pipes. We have a range that should suit most needs. These, by the way, are nothing to do with a fire hose reel, which is 25mm and 19mm. These all have 2.5-inch instantaneous couplings for the UK market to fit onto a standard UK instantaneous coupling on fire hose. This one is basic. This is a jet-only nozzle. Now this is a term used as D09. This is what's called a long pattern. So the end part is the jet-only nozzle. This part of it is the long pattern. There's a D05, which is a short pattern. It's even shorter version. This is a popular one that we do. There is also a jet spray, which tends to have like a rubber ring like this on the end where you can twist it and use jet or a spray. And again, there's a short pattern one and a long pattern one, which is probably just easier to hold and just cost a little bit extra. Then we come to these. This is light alloy, aluminium. It's extremely lightweight, and this is lever operated. This is much easier when it's connected, but leave on, off, various stages. And this is a plain jet. This is very common. We have one with a sort of red plastic end as well, which is a slightly lower cost. These tend to be the most popular because they're going to last a bit longer. The next one along, same thing exactly again, as you got your same coupling on the end, same operation. However, this has got the big lump on the front because it also enables you to form a curtain. So this is a curtain nozzle, and if you twist that part, if you've ever seen a fire brigade when they walk forward as a team into one of these aircraft simulation things with massive flames, and they've got a big curtain of water as they all steadily and push it back. Dead clever. They use posher ones, but this is that type of effect. Move on to the posher ones, these fellas. Now, we have, off the top of my head, 4 different versions. This one is 230 litres per minute. Then we do a 450 litres per minute and a 950 litres per minute. And you need to know your water pressures and so on, what you can get out as to what one's suitable. We also have one that operates automatically and will actually select itself the water pressure and adjust itself for use. Now this is pistol grip. This is what fire brigades use. This is the professional version. These are extremely durable, and this operates like that, and it has various settings on twist, and then you've got water flow settings and all sorts, and you've got a flush setting at the end. These are very reliable, very popular, used all over the world. Now, just to point out, again, just in case, these are for British, UK, land-based, so not marine, instantaneous couplings, right? They're all a standard size, 2.5 inch. The reason they're not for marine use is marine tend to use gunmetal because aluminium, lightweight aluminium, won't last 5 minutes in a salty atmosphere. This one over here is the Waterwall. I'm going to turn it around just to let you know it comes as that part and that part separate. These are 3 bolts, very simple to put together, very obvious. And I'm going to turn this around. Water comes in, water comes out, and you see all these little grooves. Water shoots up and forms exactly as it says, a water wall. If you see these on telly, on YouTube ads, videos, if you're wondering, these will tend to be sat in place, and they just put up a water wall to protect firefighters and so on. I am not a firefighter. All of you firefighters watching this who are laughing your heads off at whatever way I describe these, you can tell. But these are for places like wasteworks, for fuel depots, or for industrial fire brigades, and we actually do supply these to the the UK Fire Brigade in various places just pointed out. They do not have contracts for Vigil products, but they have bought, I guess, when they're short of others, and they do the job, apparently. So I'm going to suggest that if you are in there where you use these, get training. This is not the type of thing where you try and figure it out on the day like a fire extinguisher. In addition, if you're wondering, do we do all the foam equipment? We do foam inductors, there's 2 of them. We have a low velocity foam, and we have a medium foam branch pipe as well, and we'll cover that in a separate one because that's a different thing to water only. But there is a full range on the Vigil website of professional firefighting products such as lay, flat hose, nozzles, standpipes and adapters and dividing breaches. If you follow the links at the end of this, you'll be able to see it all.